Hey everyone, Karan here from TechRevs, and thank you for tuning in because we are going to have an exciting head-to-head comparison between two different speakers. One is this is Soundcore Motion Plus by Soundcore, of course, and the other is the Megaboom 3. Now this is the pricing wise, this is of a different class. This is very expensive. It's for around 10,500, and it's by Ultimate Ears, so very well-known brand. This was something that was not very well known to me, neither is it marketed that much in India. And the parent company is Anker of Soundcore. And these speakers are significantly cheaper actually. These are for 6,700 rupees. And I'm going to bring to you a comparison for the sound and how much do both of these weigh. This weighs slightly more than this, but this feels more solid in hand. This feels slightly more hollow in nature, if you know what I mean. Size wise, I would say they both, you can see how do they stack up. This is slightly more, but very significantly less. You can say that both of them take the same amount of space in your desk. Now, as you can see, this is the more expensive one. Again, this is for 10,500 on a good discount day, and this is the cheaper one for 6,700 rupees. I'm going to test couple of tracks back to back between both the speakers, and you tell me which is better for you. Towards the end of the test, I'm going to give you my verdict. I have connected both of these speakers to my MacBook Air, and I'm going to show you how this is going to go. So if you go to the audio settings over here, and in sound you can see that both of them are connected right now to Soundcore Motion Plus and then Megaboom 3. You can see I've kept the volume level at the same, so at any point of time I'll keep on switching between these, and I'll be playing a non-copyright music between all of this. So let's get into it. We are at 30% volume level, and we are right now testing the Megaboom 3.
Trying hard, but you wanna be my friend. Ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to. Here we go again. Call my bluff, I'ma be here till the end. I'm the one you ride, I'm the one you ride to. If you don't wanna change, ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to. If you don't wanna change, I can help you out, I can help you out, I can help. Here we go again. Trying hard, but you wanna be my friend. Ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to. Here we go again. Call my bluff, I'ma be here till the end. I'm the one you ride, I'm the one you ride to. If you don't wanna change, ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to. If you don't wanna change, I can help you out, 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 I can help you out. Here we go again. Time is up and I'm calling up my friends. Ain't no wonder why, ain't no one to ride to. Here we go again. Call me up and you wanna be my friend. I'm the one you ride, I'm the one you ride to. If you don't wanna change, ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to. If you don't wanna change, I can help you out, 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 I can help you out. Look, if you don't wanna change, ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to. If you don't wanna change, I can help you out, 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 I can help you out.
What are your thoughts? I want to know in the comments down below. Which one did you prefer? This one that cost you nearly 10,500 or 11,000 when not on sale, or this one that costs nearly 6,700 with or without sale. This doesn't go on sale that often. It is for 6,700 on Flipkart and this is available on Amazon. First, let me know your comments down below and let me know your thoughts. Now, coming to my own opinion about how they sound, I think it was pretty clear. This basically destroys this like subliminally. At no point of time was the fullness, the breadth and the fullness to the sound was there as this had. This felt a little bit shallow, little bit tinny, little bit hollow in comparison. Standalone, this is really good, but in comparison to this, nope. Now, many of you would say that this is waterproof and all that, and this floats on water. Yes, so if you want a speaker that floats on water, then this is really great. This doesn't, this will sink and drown because this weighs nearly a kilo. Although this also weighs 800, but then because of this mesh fabric, I think they have somehow made it water floatable. This isn't. This is waterproof, so it is IPX67 resistant or something, not very sure. I'll leave it here in the description, whatever that is. But both of them are waterproof. This says that it gives you 20 hours of battery backup. This says it gives you 12 hours of battery backup. In real world test, when you're listening to at 60-70% volume, I would say both will give you the same. But if you're listening to at volume levels below 50%, I'll say this would go slightly ahead. But at louder sounds, I think both would be at par. Maybe this might even be slightly better than this at louder volume. So don't really go by that 20 hours claim that this has. I don't think it really matches that much. The best thing is that this has got USB-C port, so you can charge this via USB-C. It's got a 3.5mm audio jack, so you can connect this directly via your laptop, so that is really good. This doesn't have either of those. So I think the winner is pretty clear for me. It's this one. But if you want something that is float proof or that can flow on water, then you can go for this. But for anything else, this will be my man. I didn't get too much into technical specification because I just did not want to. If you want to buy either of these speakers, I'll link down below. I'll leave the links down below. And thank you so much for watching, guys. See you in my next review, and do like and subscribe before you leave this channel. Thanks so much.